And news now from Uttar Pradesh, where after a slew of developmental measures taken in the state, now the Uttar Pradesh government has now decided to provide 18 hours electricity supply from the 14th of April in rural areas, uninterrupted electricity supply from 6 in the evening to 6 in the morning in rural areas. And a new industrial policy will also be formulated to attract more investment with a view to generating jobs across the state. Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath will also push for the Jewar International Airport in Greater Noida region and an international airport in Agra. And now acquisition will also be done on the basis of mutual consent. Meanwhile, BJP National Secretary Siddharthnath Singh spoke on the presentations given by various departments.
5 मंत्रालयों की तरफ से उन लोग ने अपने अपने विभाग का प्रेजेंटेशन दिया, जिसमें औद्योगिक विकास मंत्रालय था, जिन्होंने विस्तार से अपने विभाग के अंदर क्या क्या हो रहा है, उसके अंदर जो केंद्र की स्कीम है, जो राज्य की स्कीम अभी चल रही थी, राज्य की स्कीमों में देखा गया कि उन लोगों का जो गति होनी चाहिए वो बहुत धीमी चल रही है और उसके तहत मुख्यमंत्री जी ने कुछ चीज़ों का आदेश भी दिए और प्रमुखता से उन्होंने कहा कि जो योजनाएं हैं उसको कहीं देर में क्रियान्वित करते हैं तो उसका कॉस्ट बढ़ता है, उसकी लागत बढ़ती है। इन चीज़ों का ध्यान देना चाहिए और साथ ही साथ उसके अंदर जो इंडस्ट्रियल टाउन्स जो बन रहे हैं, जो केंद्र की योजना के तहत इंडस्ट्रियल कॉरिडोर बन रहा है, उस पर विशेष रूप से कहा गया कि ध्यान दें।
And joining us at the moment is our correspondent Pankaj Pandey. He's joining us from Lucknow on the phone line. Pankaj, so more and more decisions taken by the Uttar Pradesh government after that slow developmental measures that have been taken by the state government. Now a big push there in the in the power and the electricity sector, making sure that the lives of the people of the state become easier by the day.
Well, Nancy, this is the second big poll promise made by BJP during the election campaign. The first was that waiving of the crop loans for the farmers of marginal and small land holdings. This is the second big poll promise of providing 24 hours electricity supply in the state of UP. So yesterday, CM Yogi took presentation from various departments, including an energy department, industrial department, and from IT department as well. So this was the biggest challenge for the government of Uttar Pradesh to provide 24 hours electricity supply in the state because of the shortfall of the electricity production in the state and taking electricity from the grid from outside the state. So this is yesterday the government decided to have 24 hours electricity supply in the urban areas, which was a poll promise, and they're making it by way of tapping the resources which are non-conventional energy sources also. So there was also discussion that the non-conventional energy sources should also be tapped to make it 24 hours electricity supply. And one of the main measures which is related to the farmers, the high tension wires running through the fields of the farmers. If they falls on the field, then the whole the crop it is burned down. So yesterday it was also decided that immediately the damage of that crop will be given to the farmer, compensation will be given to the farmers. And here in Uttar Pradesh, if any time transformer goes out of the order, so it takes around 5 to 6 days. So yesterday government decided that if transformer goes out of order in urban areas, it will be replaced within 24 hours, and in rural areas it is in 48 hours. So there are so many measures taken. And in terms of industrial policy also, there were so many other measures taken by the Yogi government yesterday.
Absolutely.
Because the state of industrial development is very bad. Well, Nancy, back to you.
All right, Pankaj, thanks very much for joining us for the moment and putting those developments into perspective for us. So the state government, the Uttar Pradesh government, honouring the promises made in the party's manifesto in the Lok Kalyan Sankalp Patra. Of course, first waiving off the farm loans and now making sure uninterrupted 24-hour power supply to the people of the state.